Let's learn how to make any picture sing any song you want in 3 simple steps. Now, the first step is preparing your prompt. I'm going to go to ChatGPT, pick my image from my gallery and paste the prompts that I want, which is render it in a 3D style, cartoon, ultra detailed. Of course, I'll provide these prompts in my WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel. Join with the link in the description of this video. So after pasting it, just give it some minutes. If you're on Pro, it will be fast. But if you're not on Pro, it will take long to generate your image. Then you save it once it is done. Then I change the activity I want her to perform, which is I want her to be sitting in a studio facing the camera and a microphone in front of her. Once the picture is ready, I will tap on it and download it. Step 2 is to go over to your preferred browser and search for Kling AI. Then sign into Kling AI and sign up with your Google account or any other option available. Sign up with your Google account, and immediately you sign up, you come in, you are going to get 40 free credits. You can see I'm trying to sign up, they say, with Discord, Twitter, or Google. So I'll pick one of my emails right now to sign up. And a few seconds later, I have been signed in, and you can see I was given 40 trial credits. I can choose to upgrade if I want or not. So I'll just use the free version for this video. So I'm going to go back to ChatGPT first and ask it to give me a prompt of the action of the image I asked it to create, a prompt of an action if I want to change it to video. So it explains what it is doing. It is sitting, singing a song, closing eyes at some point. Then I'm going to select the text and copy the part of the action that I want. I'll select text and copy the part where it says she faces the camera, she pressed the piano, and closing her eyes at some point while singing. So I'm just going to copy that part alone. Then I copy it because we are going to need it in converting it to a video. So I copy that part. Then I'm going to go back to Kling AI on my browser. Tapping on the 3 line at the right hand side of my screen, left hand side, I'll tap on video. Then once I tap on video, I will come and bring in my photo. Look at it, drag and drop a image. So I'll upload the image from my gallery, which is picking the image I just created of her in the studio. After picking the image, you can see inputs the detailed description of her action. I'm going to paste that description I copied on ChatGPT. Her hand gracefully moving on the piano, she's singing. So I'm going to paste it there. I will off auto sound. I don't want auto sound. Then I'm going to select light, just select the lowest quality because I want to generate for free. Then I'm going to tap on create. Remember, I off auto sound and everything else. Now tap on create. And after tapping on create at the down of my screen, you can see it already counting the seconds it's using to generate, and my video is ready. So if I tap on it, you can see a download option at the bottom of the video. So I'll tap on download and save it to my phone. Please note that there will be no sound at this point. We are just generating as a video. So after generating this is when we will now go back to go and make it sing whatever we want. So right now I'm done here. I'll just take it away. And over to step 3, go to your Google Play Store or App Store and install DreamFace AI Generator. Once you install it, open it, sign up or sign in with your email. Then when you are here, we are going to tap on avatar talk/sing. Once we are here, we are going to give it access to our gallery so that we can pick whatever we want to pick. So I'll tap on that plus icon. Look at the plus icon right there. I'll tap on it and go and bring in that same video I just downloaded from Kling AI. Kling AI, I will tap on that video and bring it in, tap on confirm. And then once it is here, I'll tap on want avatar to say or sing, tap on it. Then once you tap on that, you are going to tap on import. Then you tap on from album. At this point, you should have saved the video you want it to sing or the audio you want it to sing from TikTok. No need to extract or anything. Just come and bring in the video. Tap the video once you tap on when you pick it from a gallery, the video you want her to sing, once you select it, select the 30 seconds part you want it to sing. Every day you can generate 10 video. Once you tap on it, just tap on Animate. So DreamFace allow you to generate 10 videos every single day, 30 seconds if you are not on Pro. So you can make use of that as much as possible. Then I took it away and came to my profile to come and look at the video. Look at the video. It is done. It is because of copyright issue. That is why I did not on the sound for you to listen, but the video is in my WhatsApp channel or Telegram channel. You can see the way it sings perfectly what I wanted it to sing. So try this out today, and don't forget to drop a thank you in the comments if you find this video helpful. See you in my next video.